Okay, guys and gals, about 10 seconds of the obligatory disclaimer. If you want to read the whole thing, just pause the video. All right, everybody, let's take a look and see what happened in the stock market today. We're looking at the E-mini S&P 500 futures. This is marked for the March 2022 contracts /ES. You can also trade /MES, and that would be the E-micros. Really nice product for small accounts. Okay, we're looking at the daily chart here. You can see that the Tuesday session's already started as I'm doing this around 5 or 6 o'clock my time. So this is the session we're looking at right there. Big red day. I've been talking about this downward pressure from this going into this cycle right here, which ends right around Christmas. Some cycles have it on Christmas Eve, some have it after Christmas, but right around Christmas Eve, maybe a day or two after. Okay, for those that don't know about cycle analysis, usually when these cycles come together, like right here, you'll see a price decline like we did right there. You can also see it happened over here, a price decline right there. So prices came down into that, right? So we're expecting prices to potentially come down as we approach third or fourth week of December, okay? So keep that in mind. Right now, short-term indicators look like they're trying to roll over. Even the MACD might be joining in the fun here. So I think there's a better chance of prices declining and maybe even breaking below this 50-day moving average, which, you know, right now is at 45.86, but just keep in mind that this is a rising 50, right? See if I can get this to play nice here. Just keep in mind that's a rising 50. So if it does come below, you know, let's say it happens tomorrow or it might happen the next day, whatever, you know, it just depends on how this plays out. But I think there's at least a decent chance it'll break below the 50. Came down here today, kind of got close, and then had a nice little bounce back. Today was an awesome day to trade the indexes or the indices. S&P 500 certainly was very tradable today. Obviously, look at that candlestick. Okay, I think just for the general public, as I'm talking to you, okay, on this video, on the daily chart, I think on the average prices will continue to decline. We may have a green day popping up here and there, but I think prices are going to track sideways or decline. You know, what we didn't do here is we didn't go to all-time new highs. And we'll see if we stay above that 50. I'm going to do this from daily to weekly today. Then we'll do monthly. Weekly looks weak. Okay. Red candlestick going on. Okay. Looks a little bit weak here. Okay. I mean, clearly these indicators are pointing down. MACD still just flat. But even the weekly chart here looks a little bit suspect for more price declines. Look at the monthly. Divergence warning still hot and heavy. Even for December. Hot and heavy. Red. Red. Indicators are clearly pointing down here. Down. MACD still now kind of looking like it's tracking sideways. So we'll see where this goes. Short term, things don't look like prices will go up. Look like prices will stall, go down. Okay. So keeping this video really short because I don't think this is a very difficult analysis, to be honest with you. Price decline, the probability of price decline for the immediate future, at least on the daily chart, is higher than price increase on the average. Okay. So what do I think about tomorrow? Well, I don't know. Tomorrow could be green, could be red. But the point is, on the average, I think prices will continue to either stall or go down, especially as we approach Christmas Eve, you know, that kind of late into the third week, fourth week of December. I think prices will decline down into this cycle low. We'll just have to see how far do they decline. They could also just stall, right? They could just be stalling in there and not necessarily decline. But so we'll keep close on that eye on that. All right. For the premium members, I'm going to switch over to the hourly chart and maybe even the 5-minute chart and talk about what I thought about today and possibly what I think about tomorrow. If you want access to that, okay, $5.99. Guys and gals, it doesn't get any cheaper. I kept it cheap so everybody could afford it, okay? I cover crude, I cover gold, I cover natural gas, wheat, oats. Occasionally put out trade alerts, all right? And I think I'm going to add something new for the premium members. On occasion, I'm going to talk about fixed income. So mostly that's going to be corporate bonds. There could be other things in there. But I'm not going to do videos on that. That's going to be only on the Discord server. So when you become a member, you're going to get a link to the Discord server, and you can go on the server. One of the channels I just put up today is fixed income. So for those that don't really want to do or don't have time to do intraday trading, or you're not really keen on doing swing trading, and you're more want to look at fixed income because there are some opportunities there, you can look at the fixed income channel on the Discord server. Okay. And occasionally I'll put out what I think might be good opportunities, right? So I'm going to add that in there. Again, I'm not going to do videos on fixed income because there's only so much time in the day to do videos, okay? But I will put occasional fixed income on the Discord server for that specific channel, okay? So take advantage of $5.99, guys. Everything that you just heard that I'm offering at $5.99, it's $72 a year. Now you can pay monthly, okay? When you cancel, you obviously it doesn't. You're not going to get a refund for that month, but you won't obviously have access on the next month. Okay, that's how Google does it. I'm not the one that's charging you. Google charges because it's being done through YouTube, so they do all the billing. Okay, and then after they take their big chunk of money out of my hindsight, they give me what's left over. Yeah, they're not too nice. So for $5.99, guys, that's not what I get. Okay, I get a lot less than that because Google's a ripoff. All right. So anyway, $5.99, guys, is super cheap. Take advantage of it while you can. At least subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that little bell to be notified of all the videos I put them out. Talk to you all real soon. Again, next time.